beautifully, they express the beauty of love, Sri Radha and Krishna. With love and respect in our hearts, I can say Happy Republic Day. As the saffron, white and green, unfurls the high, and our sword spirit reaches the sky. A very warm welcome all of you. I am Vaishnavi Mishra, studying in 9th Standard, Section C. Today I am present here to represent myself on this grand occasion, 26th January. So, for these performances, now let's throw some patriotic colors in this moment. Let's welcome our tiny tots from class LKG A, B and C who are going to perform a dance on I Love My India. I can say these tots are going to win your hearts and with their cute smiles. Please welcome our tiny tots.
Please put your hands together and clapping. Wow, your interposition of this dance are truly unique. I could feel this every motion in your step. Please give a big hand for them.
Now it's time for next section of award. For this, our guest is Mrs. Bibha ma'am, wife of Honorable Manager sir, and the category of award is Best Class. And first award from nursery to UKG goes to Swastika Singh and Prakhar Pandey. Class UKGA is the winner and group nursery to UKG. Divya ma'am, come along with your monitor Savita Singh and Prabhakar Pandey. Next, class 4th in category of 1 to 5th, Abdul Latif sir, come along with your monitor. And next is class 8th A. So, in the last 11th to 9th is Manish Goswami sir. Please come with a monitor.
And the students of Satyapal sir from class 8A. It's a honorable moment over there. The all best classes of the Sunshine this is regarding to their discipline, their speaking skill, meritorious abilities also. These classes are always good in discipline, cleanliness and respect towards the school administration. So I will request our guest Vibha ma'am to honor them prize for the best class.
So please put
Please
your hands
give-
together and clapping.
Please give a big hand. The next class, now Manish Goswami sir is there for 11th A. Please give a big hand for him.
Clapping, please.
Put your hands together.
This award also resembles the student of the whole class. Now next, it is the 8th A and Satyapal sir is there, honored with the award of the best class. Next, 4A, Abdul Latif sir is there. He is awarded for the best class as a class teacher also. And this is the proud moment for
Please
the whole
put your
class.
hands together and clapping for them.
Now next class is UKG A. Divya ma'am is there as a class teacher. It's a pride moment for all the class. Please give a big hand for the students of UKG. Now, a lot of thanks to our guest, Viva ma'am, that she has awarded all the students, she has given the precious time and she has spent a good time with us on this stage. She gone through all the cultural programs and all. We are thankful to the teachers over here. They have made the discipline in the class. On the basis of that, they are giving the rewards. Please give a big hands once again for the all classes. That is the best classes of the school. The class UKG A, 4A, 8A and 11A. Thank you. And best students of the classes 11A
Please put your hands together and clapping.
and 11D. A lot of thanks to our guest for this precious time and proud moment. She has encouraged all the students of our school. She has given a precious time and her presence just made it energetic and beautifies the culture program. Thank you.
Now,
Satpal,
we
sir,
are
please.
going to represent the next performance by LKG student. The name of the student is Ananya Yadav, Krish Yadav for dance, and the title of the song is I Love My India. So please give a big applause for this student.
लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा लंदन देखा पेरिस देखा और देखा
Please put your hands
जापान
together for the tiny
माइकल
tots.
देखा एल्विस देखा सब देखा मेरी जान सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान दूसरा हिंदुस्तान
Clapping please.
Please put your hands together for the tiny tots.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India I love my India
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन. Please put your hands together.
दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love
let's warmly welcome to the students. The name are the Roshni Yadav for his speech.
Please welcome Roshni Yadav for speech.
That means successfully to all the teachers who are joining theirs. And Roshni Yadav, please come on the stage.
I hope that all students are with a good energy. So say Vande,
Matram,
Vande,
Matram,
Vande.
Matram.
Be attentive and enjoy the cultural program.
Roshni Yadav for speech.
Hello, very precious lady and gentlemen. I want our chief guest, manager sir, principal sir, and all teachers and non-teaching staff, and my dear schoolmates. It's me, Roshni Yadav from 10th standard. Today I am present here. I am going to speak a speech on Republic Day. Please forgive me my speech. India is a republic country. It means that our country has government of people on 26 January 1950. India became a republic. Since then, we have been celebrating this day every year. It is a very important day. It is our national festival. The rich and poor also celebrate it alike. In Delhi Grand Avenue, people sit by the road. To watch the procession, the president take the salute. And I remind you in past, our great freedom fighter like Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh and Mangal Pandey, and one of the most great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, who's known as the father of India's, who wanted always die for our country. So I pledge as a school students and as a good citizens, always pledge for die for our countries. And our constitution has completed in that day, 26 January 1950. And that day, our constitution becoming a powerful is. So I remind this Republic Day not only for justice, liberty and equality, but always find the lovely our country. So we should always characters of great freedom fighters adopted. Thus we are showing to you of a great freedom fighter. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Jai Hind! Thus thank you and have a nice day.
Please give a big applause for his speech.
Wow, thank you so much for this tremendous speech and to fulfill our audience with enthusiasm. Let's move ahead from this fiery speech and let's move ahead and meet some kids who are going to take us through a super way of patriotism. The kids who are going to dance on Jai Ho. I hope this song and this dance gives you goosebumps and make you feel proud on your mother nation. Please welcome our tiny tots.
Please put your hands together and clapping for them.
Please put your hands together.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले हैं, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हैं।
Clapping please. Please put your hands together.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले हैं, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले हैं।
Please put your hands together for our tiny tots.
बत्ती बत्ती सच्ची में ले जाऊं कमाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली बनाई है।
Please put your hands together for our tiny tots.
distinction are beautifully long.
Now, our anchoring is about to end, so the next anchors are Nasha Sarfaraz and Pratigya Singh. So please welcome.
So please welcome to our next anchor.
Please join the stage.
Bharat, the land of the brave, where the sun rises with an orange blaze. A land of legends, myths, and tales, where the diversity and unity always prevails. Hello, a very happy good afternoon and a very, very happy Republic Day to all of you present here. I am Nasha Sarfraz and I would like to welcome you all. How blissful this morning is, where we all are gathered to celebrate our 76th Republic Day. After accountable sacrifices, we go independence on 15th August 1947, and only because of it, we can gather and speak freely today. We owe a great thank you to all of them, and I salute all those freedom fighters, and a very happy Republic Day again.
Freedom in mind, strength in words, pride in our soul, and zeal in our hearts. Let us salute our great nation on this Republic Day. A cheerful good afternoon to honorable chief guests, parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear schoolmates. I am Pragya, and today I have honors to host this beautiful occasion on behalf of the Sunshine Senior Secondary School. Today we celebrate the spirit of unity, democracy, and a remarkable journey that our freedom fighter has undertaken. Now let's switch the gears and bring a sweet soothing to our hearts. Our next program is a song titled Meete Rasse Bhare. So I would request to the students, please come on the stage and show their talent.
That was such a beautiful and a soulful song. It fills our hearts with warmth and love for our country. Thank you for sharing your talent with us. Now, we move on to a captivating dance performance on the song titled Nano Valene. This performance is full of grace, elegance, expressions, and it reflects the true emotion of our culture. So hold on your emotions and let's welcome the dancers on the stage for the song Nano Valene.
नैनो वाले नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला पग डोलो रे पग पग डोलो रे रग रग से मैं चलती वो जगमगलों से जलती तेरे नैनों की कैसी मदिरा थर थर कांपो रे तेरे तीर से चिपती चंदन पे नाग से लिपटी मैं बेहोश तू नशा ऐसी मोह की दशा मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया
Wow, what an incredible performance. The dancer conveys their talent with such a finesse. Now, to continue the program, we have an energetic dance performance called Manzil Dur Hai.
Absolutely. Manzil Dur Hai is a dance performance that symbolizes perseverance and the spirit of striving towards one's dreams. The dancers will express the journey of overcoming challenges and
So, fasten your seatbelts as we travel to a world where beats and movements are intertwined. So, please put your hands together to them.
मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में twinkle stars है मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में twinkle stars है चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम पूरा चांस है 3, 2, 1 boom दिल में मार्स है क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है दिल में मार्स है भूलने की प्यास है दिल में मार्स है अपने ब्रेन 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 की है कारस्तानी हम तो ढूंढ 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 ले फायर में पानी अपने देश 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 में सब कुछ मुमकिन है we don't need 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 no मेहरबानी थोड़े फेल 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 है फिर भी पास है उल्टू मूड 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 में हम बिंदास है चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम पूरा चांस है 3, 2, 1 boom दिल में मार्स है दिल में मार्स है अपने दिल में मार्स है उड़ने की प्यास है क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है
Give a big hand of applause to them. Please give a big hand of applause to them. Wow, what an energetic performance is this. It shows that no goal is far when we work together.
now it's time for a powerful and thought-provoking speech.
Remind us the importance of Republic Day. So please let us welcome
As we gather here today on the momentous occasion of our 76th Republic Day, firstly I would like to say thank you to everyone for giving me this occasion, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Aradhya Singh and I am the student of class 7th A, and I am standing in front of you to deliver the speech on Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated to mark the celebration of the birth of its constitution and the transition of India from the British Dominion on 26 January 1950. This is the day when India became the completely independent country and as the permanent constitution came into the force. Each year, 26 January is the national holiday of India and is celebrated with a lot of an every Indian heart filled with fervor and immense love for their motherland. 26 January plays a significant role in the lives of every Indian citizen, and this is the day when India became the completely independent country. Republic Day is not just a celebration of the birth of its constitution, but also the commemoration of the day on which we consolidated the contesting ideas of the nation and concluded upon the values it enshrined and the values it take towards political, economical and social objectives. 26 January plays a significant role in the lives of every Indian citizen, and it is the day when monarchy gets demolished from the country. The constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 January 1950 by the democratic government system who are completing the transition towards becoming an independent republic. India is a republic country and we have got this title after the enforcement of our constitution. The constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 January 1950 and came into effect on 1950. The constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 1950. That's all about my speech, and thank you everyone. I'm sorry for the mistake which I have done in my speech.
What an inspiring, was a motivation and exhilarating speech. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, after days of incredible innovation, mind-blowing experiments, and fierce competition, it's time to crown the champion of our science exhibition. The judges have deliberated, the scores have tilled, and the winner is about to be announced.
Now let's move to the next segment of the awards, and it's no other than science exhibition. These students have secured the first rank, second rank and third rank in science exhibition. These students have so extraordinary talent in the science exhibition. They have copy and make a critical items along with other. Their exhibition was really outstanding. That's why they have selected for the awardees. Again I repeat, this segment is for Science Exhibition Award, and these are the students who are standing at the stage. These are the winner. Our manager sir is facilitating them. All students, give a big appreciation to these students.
Please give a big hand for them.
So please give a big hand for them. These are the students who shows their talent in science exhibition.
All the students, keep on appreciating the students by clapping. All students, keep on appreciating students by clapping. These students have shown the many skill, the way, the excitement they show and create in the science exhibition. That time it was really fantastic. Students, keep on appreciating these students by clapping. Don't stop it. All students, please show your excitements toward these students.
Please give a big hand of applause for them.
All the students who have got the prize, they are requested to bend on the knee and raise the prize above for a photo session along with the manager, sir. Up the hand with the prize for a photo session.
As we bid to farewell, I would like to thank you all for your precious moment. Now I would like to call the next anchors who will host this event, Navya and Anushka. So it's my request to them, please come on the stage.
Those students' name has been announced for the definition competition. Please join at the front of 12th A. Those students' name has announced for the definition competition winners. Definition competition winner, come in the front of class 12th A. Students, listen carefully. Those students' name has been announced as the winner of the definition competition. Please come in the front of class 12th A.
Thank you, Nasha and Pragya, for calling us to handle the show further. Vande Matram. A very good afternoon to all our esteemed guests, respected teachers and dear students. I am Navya Soni, your host, welcoming you all to the most awaited event of the year.
May I say a very patriotic good afternoon to everyone. I am Anushka Verma.
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन लब पे आती है दुआ मन के तमन्ना मेरी
It gives so much energy. As we know that soldiers who always remain faithful to their nation, who are always prepared to sacrifice their lives, are invincible.
So please welcome to this stage Group Srishti from class 8 with a powerful and inspiring dance performance. So everyone, please put your hands together for them.
This program is Shubharam.
Please everyone, put your hands together for them.
सतली राहे मंगल गावे मनुप जी फुलवारी साधो बाजो बाजो गूंजे सपनारी ये किलकारी वनुप वन अभिनंदन करता छाई धता परिहारी 70 भांतो भांत चीजों को हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर्षा धन बरसा धन सुखवाना जिए
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
Please everyone put your hands together for them.
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रंगी बहार आवी खुशियों सबके लावी हर खाए हयू हाय हाय रंगी बहार आवी खुशियों सबके लावी हर खाए हयू हाय 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 हाय
नशा है जिंदगी नशा है जिंदगी धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी हाँ
दासलो चीनो साज सजीलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
It gives so much energy. Now, let's move ahead to something that will truly elevate our spirits. A dance performance on the song Lahra Do. So please welcome group Darpan and Pragati from class 4 to perform a very beautiful dance performance. So everyone, please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together from the beginning of performance.
है दिन ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी
Please everyone, choreography was so impactful.
Definition competition. For this, again, I would like to call Honorable Mrs. Bibha ma'am. Please come and join stage. This segment of award is definition competitions. In this competition, our students have shown a lots of talent and they have learned more than 500 definitions. On the basis of that, they have selected as first, second and third. So, from first class, first rank holder is Darpan Chaurasia, second is Mrigang Pandey. These are the first students. Anushka Chavan from 4th A, Srishti Srivastava from 4th B, Ananya Singh from 4th B, R. Veer Singh from 4th B. Darpan Chaurasia is first rank holder, Mrigang Pandey is second hold ranker, Anushka Chavan is third rank holder. Srishti Srivastava is first rank holder from 4th B, Ananya Singh is second rank holder from 4th B, Arya Veer Singh is third rank holder from 4th B. From 7 to 9, from 4th C, Janvi Gupta, first rank holder, 4th C, Gaurav Chavan, second rank holder, Shonali Kumar, third rank holder from 4th C. All the students of 4C of different section, from 4th A, Darpan Chaurasia, Mrigang Pandey, Anushka Chavan, from 4th B, Srishti Srivastava, Ananya Singh, R. Veer Singh, from 4th C, Janvi Gupta, Gaurav Chavan, Shonali Kumar, from class 5th A, Pratik Yadav, Akhil Singh, Tanmay Gupta. Pratik Yadav is first rank holder, Akhil Singh is second rank holder, Tanmay Gupta is third rank holder. From 4th B, first rank holder is Aditi Maurya, Smita Maurya, second rank holder, Riya Pandey, third rank holder. From 5th C, first rank holder is Rishikesh Goswami, second rank holder is Divyanshu Arora, third rank holder is Shyam Pandey. These are the students who have won the definition competition. They have shown lots of learning power capacity. They have learned more than 500 definition. From 6th A, Jagriti Kharwar, first rank holder, Gaurav Pal, second rank holder, Arav Jaiswal, third rank holder. From 6th B, Amrita Chavan, first rank holder, Yashwant Raj Sonkar, second rank holder, Utkarsh Yadav, third rank holder. From 6th C, Raghuraj Pratap Singh, first rank holder, Babli Bhardwaj, second rank holder, Nidhi Pandey, third rank holder. From 7th A, Navya Soni, first rank holder, Ananya Srivastava, second rank holder, Aradhya Singh, third rank holder. From 7th B, Aradhya Pandey, first rank holder, Anshu Kumar, third rank holder, Aryan Maurya, third rank holder. From 7th section C, first rank holder Priyanka, second rank holder Shruti Yadav, third is Aryan Yadav, and from 8th A, Shreyans Chaube, first rank holder, from 8th A, Shreyans Chaube, first rank holder, Anshu Yadav, second rank holder, Swastika Singh, third rank holder, from 8th B, Aniket Singh, first rank holder, Ashmita Chavan, second rank holder, Manish Yadav, third rank holder. From 8th C, Ansika Yadav, second rank holder, Tripti Kumari, third rank holder. From 8th D, Lavanya Singh, first rank holder, Abhinav Yadav, second rank holder, Amanat Yadav, third rank holder. From 9th B, Antima Yadav, first rank holder, Shreya Singh, second rank holder. Aradhya Gupta, third rank holder. From 9th C, Siddharth Singh, first rank holder. Satyam Singh, second. Ansh Gupta, third rank holder. From 9th D, Ashad Raza, Divyanshu, second rank holder. Sujit Rajmar, third rank holder. This competition carry the definitions, and these students show a special power of learning the definition of different subjects. Now let's move to the next program.
Congratulations to all the winners.
As we know that dance is your pulse, your heartbeat, your breathing. It's the rhythm of your life.
It takes an athlete to dance, but an artist to be a dancer. So please welcome group Divyansi and Srishti from class 6 to perform a wonderful dance performance on song Dholna. So everyone, please put your hands together for them.
Now those students' name has been announced for the map competition winner. They also come in front of class 12th A. Those students' name has been announced as the winner of map competition. They also join class in the front of class 12th A.
Please everyone give a big round of applause for them. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for beautiful performance. This is
I love the dynamic shift in your energy during that section.
so it's please put your hands together for the beautiful performance. So it's time for us to leave.
So please welcome your new host Avinash and Shreyans to handle the show further.
Once again, a very happy Republic Day to everyone.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.